Welcome to PhysioMedics. In this video, we will discuss 7 amazing health benefits of Himalayan Pink Salt. Himalayan Pink Salt, renowned for its unique color and mineral-rich composition, originated from salt mine in Pakistan, situated at the foothills of the Himalayas. This distinctive salt, celebrated for its purported health benefits and culinary versatility, contains trace elements such as potassium, magnesium, and calcium, lending it a subtle, nuanced flavor, beloved for its delicate, mild taste, and often used as a finishing touch in gourmet dishes. Himalayan Pink Salt has also gained popularity for its purported holistic properties, with some enthusiasts praising its supposed detoxifying and balancing effects on the body. Its striking color, derived from the presence of iron oxide, adds a visually appealing touch to culinary creations, making it a sought-after ingredient in kitchens worldwide. Himalayan Pink Salt is believed by some to offer several potential health benefits. These purported advantages include: Number 1. Improved digestion. Being rich in minerals, Himalayan Pink Salt may help to balance your body's pH levels. This may boost immunity and help you to better process and digest the food. Number 2. Maintains blood pressure levels. Himalayan Pink Salt is rich in iodine, which is effective in creating electrolyte balance in the body and ultimately manages blood pressure levels. Number 3. Help detoxify body. Having a trace of 84 minerals, having Himalayan Pink Salt will naturally detoxify your body and promote the removal of toxins. Number 4. Aids hydration. Himalayan Pink Salt is a rich source of minerals and electrolytes, so drinking water with a pinch of Himalayan Pink Salt will help you regain your energy and keep you hydrated. Number 5. Therapeutic benefits. You can combine Himalayan Pink Salt with coconut oil to exfoliate your dry skin and improve skin health. Number 6. Enhance quality of sleep. It's mandatory to have one's mind at peace and body relaxed in order to get a good night's sleep. Often insomnia or degraded quality of sleep. Adding pink salt in the daily consumption routine improves the well-being of both the mind and body. The energy levels are boosted and restored overnight while the person is fast asleep. Number 7. Promotes health of arteries. Arteries are the tubes indispensable for circulatory system as they convey blood from heart to rest of the body parts. Thus, it becomes essentially crucial to keep them in good health. Unsurprisingly, the pink salt does the needful. It eliminates all the damage occurred to the arteries, which could potentially lead to the formation of varicose. The said salt improves blood circulation in the body, alleviating the possibility of varicose veins at the initial stage. The said salt improves blood circulation in the body, alleviating the possibility of varicose veins at the initial stage. With aforementioned plentiful health benefits, it is no barrier that one should incorporate this magical pink salt in their regular diet to be hale and hearty.